Welcome to Tech Glove Reviews, the official YouTube channel to review products, unbox products, and how to. Welcome guys to Tech Glove Reviews. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but here I am with the Belkin USB-C cable with lightning connector that has fast charge, it is 1 meter, and it is durability tested with over 10,000 bands. So let's get started. And you know that with Belkin you always have good packaging. You have the instruction manual here. So here it is, the cable. It is made out of an aluminum alloy and it is very durable and it's moldable, so when you put it like that it stays. So let's test it. Here I have the power bank. I'm just going to plug the USB-C here. And here I have the iPad, and let's see. Charging. So as you see, this cable works and it has a very durable mesh. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Bye.
Posters, tire swing, wagon, candle, canvas, sofa, fork, rubber band, radio, hanger, twister, zipper, nail file, magnet, paintbrush, water bottle, glass, sandal,